Hello people of the internet, JoheZ here. This video is a part of a bigger video I recently uploaded to my channel, so if you are interested, definitely check out that longer video on my channel. In this video, I want to take a moment to discuss how one of the key AI features in Adobe Photoshop is finally getting the upgrade it has needed for a while, or at least it has been enhanced a little. There is a new little feature that I want to show you. Basically, if you have ever tried to expand your image using the Generative Fill, you might have noticed that the extended image quality wasn't the best. The expanded image part has been pretty blurry and smeary. Until now, because now Adobe has finally improved it. So let's take a look. And just a heads up, I'm using the latest beta version of Adobe Photoshop in this video. I have this image here, and let's expand this image and try the new feature, or try to enhance the details of the expansion. Now we expanded the image, and if we zoom in, we see that the expanded image is more blurry and smeary than the original image. Okay, so we can see clearly this detail difference. But the new feature, you can find it here. It's this button, Enhance Details. And if we click this, we should see improvements in the details of the image. Let's try this. And as you can see, the details improved a lot. Nice. And if we see the other side here, also, here we can see that the details has improved also. And let's try this one more time. Let's choose this other option and let's click the Enhance Details button again. And we can see that the quality or the details improved again. Nice. Like, this is what I expected this new feature to do, to remove the worst blurriness from the extended image and add more details to it. Okay? And let's remember that this is the first iteration of this feature, so it will get better. Like, just imagine that what kind of quality we will get after 1 year or after 2 years. I think it will improve a lot. Alright, that was the feature. It's a small but super important update in my opinion. Yeah, but anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and see you in the next video.